2006 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual front airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, premium sound, trip odometer, power door locks, power windows, chrome wheels, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror, towing package, vanity mirrors, cup holders, 4-piece floor mat set. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.